Hi, welcome to TGN YouTube channel. This is Jason. Right, today I have something very different and special. It's called fiber in the room. So it's very applicable for places where you can't lay UTP cable directly from where your distribution is for distribution switch or from your distribution box area to your room or to any part of your home or office. So this is able to use as a fiber invisible. All right, you can't see, you can run it along the lines of your wall or your cabinet or anywhere, and it will be able to give you additional data output. Okay, so you can convert it from fiber to RJ45 using a media converter, but first you have to establish the infrastructure. So with this solution, what we have here is what we call fiber in the room invisible wire solution. Okay, let me show you what's in the box. Okay, so in the box here, the first thing that you have is the sticky tape. Okay, so basically it's a double side tape where you can run it along the lines of the groove. Right, we have it in several other packages where you have it in 10 meters, 20 meters, 30 meters, and 50 meters. This is the tape first. Then we have the fiber itself. Right, so this is the fiber where you will run accordingly along the distance of where you want the data to go through. This is the fiber strand. Okay, these are industrial fiber strand and it's all invisible. There's no coloring to it. As for the head, we can have it either in SC or LC, right? So don't worry about the head, but rather let's look at the overall solution. This will be the trunking. Let me show you the trunking. Right, so in this case, this packaging that I have here, this is a 20 meters trunking. Of course, for fiber, you must always remember we need to leave some slack. So along the way here, this is the groove where we will insert the fiber strain. Okay, so let me give a very quick demonstration on how it's being done for the installation. So what we do is we will just push in the fiber strain. We can open it up, all right, and we will install it in. Pushing it in, it will just securely go into the track, the running track, right? And it is movable, right? We can adjust it accordingly. Okay, if you need to bend, this is the angle you can bend it at. There's a bending radius ISO which you can use, which is more than suffice for most places that we have that we need to install, right? So on the other end, you can have it into the media converter, right? You can have it on 10G, 1G, or whatsoever, depending on your requirement. So on one hand, after you have done the laying of the cable, remember to leave some slack, okay, to go around. Okay, this is just a demonstration, just to go around in order to plug it into your fiber transceiver, right? So this is how it will look like accordingly, okay, after it is done and laid. So this is how it will look after it's being deployed, right? So this is the entering of the runway, okay, the track, okay, and you can see you don't feel anything at all. Okay, should you have any questions on the installation, please do remember to leave a comment or remark. We will get back to you. Please remember to like and subscribe to my video. Thank you very much.